Start to take fuller, deeper, longer breaths. As if when you inhale, you are pulling in all of this energy from nature, from Mother Earth. Like a Gaia healing, Gaia, the spirit of Earth. Sort of receiving the healing of Mother Earth as you inhale. And then as you exhale, you expand that out. So that you and everything around you, all of the nature, the space around you is also healed. Allowing your energy system to act almost like a bridge of energy. Inhaling, allowing, there's no forcing, just allowing the energy of Gaia to move into you, exhaling that out, back out. And in the process, you are being strengthened, you are being nourished. So we're going to start a journey into the nature realm. You can think of it as nature realm. You can think of it as the lower world, if you're familiar with shamanism. But just the place of nature and nature beings. And as we journey there, you will encounter your nature guide. And your nature guide will take you to this place for healing. So we want to offer up something for healing. Maybe something has come up in your mind and in your heart already. Maybe this is something that you are struggling with, some circumstance. Maybe it's something that has a long history. Maybe it's something passed down in your lineage, your mother's side or your father's side. Or maybe it's simply just some heaviness in you. So whatever it is that is arising, we will present that. Just by the nature of you bringing your awareness there, your consciousness there, something starts to shift and something will start to present itself for healing. So as we journey, that thing might change, it might stay the same, and we'll see. We are open to possibilities. Start with this intention for healing and this intention to meet your nature guide, your nature spirit guide. It could be in any form of a nature being. It could be an animal, it doesn't have to be. It could be a fairy, it could be something that looks more human, or maybe half human, half animal. Breathe into the space in your heart, this intention to travel, as if it's that mere intention is opening a portal in your heart. Your whole body is relaxing as you let go. All of the muscles relax. You're moving into a deeper, deeper space where your soul can travel, to travel for its healing. Think of it as coming home, coming to a familiar place. Letting your soul take flight and to travel. Through this tunnel of light, whirling through this tunnel of light, and onto the other side, safely, gently, into this realm of the spirit, of the nature spirits, nature world, doesn't matter what you call it. Look with your third eye, look around you, feel. What do you see? What do you hear? What is different? You see a figure approaching you, a friendly figure, almost a familiar figure. And you ask, as you approach this being, are you my nature guide? And you wait for a positive response. If not, you thank them, you move on until you find and encounter your nature guide. You've found your nature guide together, you're walking through, you're walking around, you are enjoying this space, this beautiful nature space. What do you see? What do you feel? Is there water? Is it earth? Fire, wind, space? Are there mountains, rivers, rocks? What do you see? What do you feel? What do you hear? You speak and exchange with your nature guide. It's a very comforting feeling. And maybe, just maybe, something is coming up for healing. What is it for you? Is it a memory? Maybe some symbol comes up, a sound. What is coming up for you for healing? If nothing's coming up, just simply intend for the biggest thing that is ready for healing. Your nature guide takes you by the hand and you walk into this special place for healing. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? Symbols, words, sounds. Is it a cave? Is it water? Is it a mountaintop? Is it a forest? What is this special place for healing? And even if the visualizations aren't clear to you, you have this deep feeling that this is indeed a place for healing. There, on a crystal bed, rock and precious stone, your nature guide asks you to lay down. He or she places a crystal around your navel. Maybe for you it's a different part. Immediately this crystal starts to suck up what looks like black smoke, some dark energy, but it's not really evil, it's just energy that's stuck. And this crystal is moving it away from your energy system into itself for healing. Crystal is taking all the last bits, representing what it is, whatever it is that needs to be healed, whatever it is that's coming up for healing. The crystal is absorbing it peacefully, happily, getting all of the last veils, all of the last bits, all of the last layers. Something in the heart and in the body changes. Just feeling much freer, much looser. And now you just feel the nurturing energy of Gaia. Nurturing energy filling those spaces with love and light. coming to a close. Your nature guide helps you up from this crystal bed and puts in your hand something special, an object for continued healing, so that even as you journey back and on your return, the healing continues. You look at the object in your hand. You thank your nature guide. And slowly, you journey back through this tunnel of light. Through and through and through. Through and through and through. Tunnel of light. Safely on the other side. Back to here and now. Just where you are. In this space in your body. Feeling the gentle wind, feeling the temperature of that wind, that air, feeling the warmth of the sun. Feeling your body also receiving rejuvenation and energy from the sun, from the earth. Feel your breath. Feel your breath connecting you to this space, just here and now. Taking long, deep breaths. Try to explore the fullness of your breath. So from the beginning, the middle to the end of the inhale, and the beginning, the middle, and the end of your exhale. Start to move your fingers and your toes.